Hare Krishna. Welcome to the Krsnatarian way of cooking. So today I'm going to share with you a very short and quick recipe, but coming with two varieties of it. It is called as chili sauce, and I'm excited to share with you my way of making them at home. So let's get started. First, in a pot I will be adding around 3 cups of water. So I'm going to make small batches, that's why I'm just going to show with 3 cups of water. So we'll be dividing this 3 cups into 2 parts. So now in this 3 cups I will be adding around 12 to 15 dry red chilies. Now make sure these red chilies are very hot. I will cover them with a lid and then I will let it boil. Once it has come to a boil, you see the color of the chili is separating into the water, then just turn off the stove. And once it cools down a little bit, then empty the chilies along with little bit of the water into a blender. Now do not confuse the Kashmiri red dry chili, which is not hot at all, but they are bigger in sizes, with this red chilies. And once this is blended, you just have to put it back into the remaining boiled water. So here I'm just going to blend them coarsely, not completely fully blend, but coarsely, so that we can see the particles of the chili flakes in it. And then I added another cup of water to it. Now in a small skillet like this or a saucepan, add around half quantity of that blended mixture and then add around quarter cup of sugar. Now this is for making the sweet chili sauce, which are usually available in the market. Now I have added little bit of hing. Then I added few pinches of also white pepper powder here. You may also use finely chopped pieces of ginger. That is completely optional if you want to use it. Now I added around 1 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of salt, or you can just add salt as per taste. Now I added around a tablespoon of lemon juice to it. Now in this bowl I have taken around half tablespoon of cornstarch and I used little bit of water and then mixed it well. Now make sure that the cornstarch is not too much in quantity, because the quantity of the sauce is also less. So you do not want, after the entire mixture cools down, it becomes jelly like. That is not what we want. So less cornstarch is better. So after I added the cornstarch, I let it boil for 5 minutes and then turned off the stove and now emptied it here. So now I'm going to let this entire thing cool down. I'll show you a little bit of the texture. So this is how the nice sweet chili sauce looks like. So you can just store it in a jar and then put it in the fridge. Now the remaining quantity of the blended mixture I added again in the saucepan. And now in this I added around a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now I added around 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of the homemade tomato sauce or the tomato ketchup. The recipe of it is on the top right hand corner. You can check it out if you want to make your own ketchup at home. So I mix everything well nicely. Now let it a little bit boil. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to again make the same amount of mixture of the cornstarch and add it. Then again bring this to a boil and cook it for around 5 minutes. Now this cooking for 5 minutes should be always done on low heat. So you just have to simmer a little bit and then turn off the stove. So this is actually kind of a thick chili sauce which has a little bit of that tomato kick to it. Now these are the 2 types of chili sauce which are generally available in the market. So I hope you will try out these recipes and let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Hare Krishna.